Oh hey, thank you for tuning in to another video. Do you see this eyeshadow? I'm going to show you exactly how I achieved it. Let's go. Okay, so starting off with my eyebrows, I'm using e.l.f.'s Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I just brush them up, fill them in, and brush them up to continue just to blend it. I love this pencil because it's a neutral brown color and matches, my eyebrows. The only con is that it doesn't have a lot of product in it. It retails for $5 and you can find it at your local beauty supply store. I found mine at Walmart. So moving on, I'm using NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW01. If I'm not using a blending sponge, sometimes I use my fingers, just like today. Going in with an older BH Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow palette, I'm using the gray color with my number 6 Itsmyrayeraye brush and just putting that all over my crease and just blending that out right on top. Now I'm going in with a darker gray color and just adding that right on top just to deepen up the color a little bit. And to really give it more depth, I'm going in with that dark color, almost black, to just deepen it up. Before adding any other color to my lid, and if you want your color to pop, make sure that you add some concealer. So that is exactly what I'm doing now to my lid. Going in with that color called Majesty, I'm applying that over the concealer, but as soon as you see me putting it on, you will see me taking it off. I didn't like the color combination, but too many dark colors make me look tired. And instead of removing the purple, I decided to just add concealer on top of it just because I was lazy. So this is where things took a turn. I wanted to add that golden shimmery color, but that wasn't coming up at all. I went in with the color Canary, which is a matte yellow, and it worked out. It's not the bright color it is on the palette, but I have different colors under my concealer. Now this yellow wasn't the yellow that I really wanted. I wanted bright canary yellow, golden, that shimmery look, but I just go with it. I'm very spontaneous in my personality and I feel like my makeup does definitely show for it. So I'm going to go back in with the gray, dark gray, and I'm just going to blend it out up top. I'm going to go back into Canary and just dab up. So to clean up the lines, I'm actually going to grab a Q-tip and some concealer and just clean up this to make it more cleaner. Even though I used concealer to start cleaning this up, it wasn't working. I'm just dabbing my Q-tip in the Vaseline and removing the excess eyeshadow. I also try to do just a turning motion just to make sure I remove it all. And I'm actually really glad that I did not use any concealer for my eyebrows because it would have went all gone. And as you guys can see, it looks better already. Even though I am removing a good amount of eyeshadow, I have hooded eyes, so it's important for me to leave a good amount on there so that you can see the gray when my eyes are open. Going in with the number 9 brush, I'm using the highlighter in shade Moonlight for the inner corner of my eye. I like it because it has a nice yellow undertone and it's nice and shimmery, giving this look a pop. So you can't really tell that I added the light gray to my waterline as much, but you can see that I do have something there. My foundation. Just put it on my face. I really like this MAC powder foundation because it's light, it evens out my skin tone, and I can barely feel I have anything on. Now, moving on to some highlighter, I'm using the number 4 brush and shade Radiant to add that to my cheekbones and the tip of my nose. I did not add any concealer for my bags because I felt I didn't need it, and I kept it just very light, some accessories and mascara, and that is all. And this is the finished look. I really like how the color combination of my eyeshadow just came together. Now, I didn't want to overpower the blue in my hair, so that is why I wore a gray suede dress. And I kept my accessories very simple.
But I really like how the color combination of my eyeshadow came together. I added the light gray, and then I added the yellow, and then I added the light yellow in my inner corner, and I kept it simple with just a little bit of highlight. And I also kept my lip simple with just lip gloss, and that's it. I think this look is cute. Would you wear this look? What do you think about how I applied my makeup? Are you more of a free-flowing, you put it together and make it work? Or do you like a specific technique, specific way to apply different eyeshadows, etc, etc? Let me know down in the comments. If you overall like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Again, leave a comment down below and tell me how you feel, and follow me on my social media platforms. I will be dropping videos like this more often on my channel, just because I have a great feedback when I do post my looks on IG. So I just wanted to give you guys a feel for how I do my makeup. Is it different from everyone else? Yes, it is. Do I love that it's different from everyone else? Yes, I do. And that's all I can say. So peace and love. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you next time.